Storm Isha is leaving a trail of destruction across the UK, turning serene landscapes into battlegrounds of wind and rain. From cancelled flights to suspended train services and even reports of lives lost, the storm has left people grappling with the raw power of nature. On Monday, 3 sergeants in Scotland worked to clear debris from cars. This is Storm Isha brought gale force winds of over 144 kilometers. Vehicles were stranded in water in England after heavy rains caused rivers to burst their banks. On a motorway near the city of Carlisle, a city in UK, a recovery team assisted a lorry that was blown off the carriageway by strong gusts. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.